All right, let's jump right into this explainer. If you've been feeling like your career is just stuck in neutral lately, or maybe you're on the hunt for a seriously lucrative IT niche, well, you are definitely in the right spot today. We are going to completely unpack a very specific blueprint for mastering a system that is in massive global demand right now, SAP GTS. We're going to tear down the architecture of this training program and see exactly what it takes to master it.
So, we got to start with a pretty blunt question. Are you actively looking for career-defining IT skills? Because, let's be honest, stagnant careers don't fix themselves. They need real-world, aggressive solutions. Generalized tech knowledge? Yeah, that just doesn't cut it anymore in today's market. You need a specialty. You need to master a system that massive corporations literally cannot survive without. And today, we're looking at a structured path designed to give you exactly that kind of edge.
Okay, so take a look at this. We're going to systematically deconstruct this promotional flyer for SmartLearnIT's SAP GTS course, which, by the way, stands for Global Trade Services. Now, at first glance, I know it's a lot to take in, it's pretty dense, but our goal in this explainer is to strip all that back, map out the true value proposition here, and figure out why this highly specific skill set is basically like gold in the global market. Right off the bat, the core promise here is just huge. Global trade, smarter careers, limitless opportunities. I love that. It frames this specialized training as way more than just, extra homework on your weekends. It's positioning SAP GTS knowledge as a total master key. It's taking something massive, global trade, and directly tying it to your personal, individual career growth. But what does that actually mean? Well, at the absolute core of this is global trade management. Listen, this isn't your everyday generic business software. This is the digital backbone of the entire physical economy. We're talking about the interconnected web of cargo ships, supply trucks, and massive air freighters. Every single time a product crosses an international border, there is this insane, complex web of compliance and data that has to be absolutely flawless. And that is exactly the sector this training preps you to dominate. And here is where the rubber really meets the road, what you'll actually master. You're getting the essential toolkit for modern global logistics. Take restricted party screening, for example. This is absolutely crucial. This is what stops a multinational corporation from accidentally selling to a sanctioned entity. You master this, and you're saving companies from millions in fines and a total PR nightmare. Or think about classification and product determination, making sure goods are taxed right so a shipment doesn't sit in an impound lot for 3 weeks. You are literally learning how to prevent catastrophic supply chain bottlenecks. It's heavy, it's technical, and frankly, it's incredibly sought after. Now, to learn something this complex, you can't just have a guy reading a textbook to you, right? You need someone who has actually been in the trenches. And that brings us to this massive number. 17. The whole program anchors its credibility on a mentor with over 17 years of real-time experience as an SAP consultant. Just think about that for a second. That means this instructor has been navigating global trade crises, massive software updates, and real corporate meltdowns for almost 2 decades. And because of that deep experience, the whole teaching approach changes. It's completely focused on getting you industry-ready through practical, scenario-based training. Actually, let's be real, it means you aren't just memorizing what a button does on a screen. You are learning exactly what to do when a real-world cargo ship is jammed up at customs because of a missing code. It's 100% job-oriented. Every single lesson is reverse-engineered from what hiring managers actually need you to execute on day 1. So you're probably wondering, okay, but is this actually for me? Well, the flyer maps out 4 distinct groups so you can easily spot exactly where you fit in. First up, we've got freshers and career starters, folks looking to build a rock-solid foundation right out of the gate. Then, SAP functional consultants, IT pros who already know SAP but want to bolt on a super lucrative specialty. Third, supply chain and logistics professionals, people who know the physical shipping world but need the software mastery to back it up. And finally, career switchers looking for a massive, high-impact pivot into a totally stable industry. But no matter which of those buckets you fall into, there's this one underlying ethos that ties the whole shebang together. Smart learning today, global impact tomorrow. I mean, that really hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned logistics pro, the end goal here is always assured career growth. The time and energy you put in right now is going to directly dictate the scale of the global problems you'll be solving tomorrow. All right, so if you're sitting there thinking, yep, I'm ready to make that impact, they've stripped the enrollment down to 3 super simple steps. First, you just shoot an email over to sam@smartlearnit.com. Second, you'll get a demo session link sent right back to your inbox so you can actually see the platform in action. And third, you jump into the new batch. Notice this starts specifically on Wednesday at 6:30 a.m. IST. I actually love that timing. It shows this is a serious, structured program built for motivated professionals who are ready to grind before their normal workday even begins. So we've completely deconstructed the blueprint today, from the 17 years of expert mentorship to the highly technical skills you absolutely need to keep the global supply chain moving. The reality is, the modern economy runs on this software, and the demand for people who understand it is just going through the roof. So as global trade gets more complex by the minute, here is the final question you have to ask yourself. Are you going to be the one watching from the sidelines, or are you going to be the one holding the master key? Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. Keep pushing forward, and I'll catch you next time.